High cost-effective solution, upgrading Leica DMIL to fluorescence function. One type of the microscope supports fluorescence upgrading by adding fluorescence attachment and light source. MSHOT offers high cost-effective solution, 3 channels fluorescence attachment, and LED light source. It is the fluorescence attachment with 3 filter tubes. Use high-quality fluorescence filters. Broad-spectrum LED light source. Instant on and off, working life is 100 times longer than mercury lamp. It is easy to install and maintain. Insert in the lamp house immediately. The filter tubes have been installed in the attachment. Push in the attachment. It is done. Connect the power line. Rotate the light control box to get a suitable brightness.